Hi everyone, welcome back to the series that takes you through the features of BitBlast. Let's dive into the cluster management page, your control center for overseeing and organizing clusters in BitBlast. Here, admin gets a quick overview of the total number of clusters available. In the cluster management page, admin have access to detailed information about each database. This includes the database ID and name, database type and version, provider name, its creation time and updation time. By clicking the View button on this page, admin gain access to a wealth of information related to the selected database. This includes detailed insights into artifacts and dynamic data associated with the specific database. Whether it's examining specific artifacts or exploring dynamic data points, the View feature provides a comprehensive understanding of its contents. Thanks for joining us today. Stay tuned for more informative BitBlast videos.